In today's video, we're working on a 2013 Porsche Boxster 911 and we are installing Apple CarPlay and a reversing camera. Hi guys. Right, today we've been working on this special little Porsche 911 Boxster 2013. It's fitted with the CDR Plus head unit, which is the real Billy Basic Porsche head unit that you can get with one of their vehicles. Now, you've probably seen some of our videos or our other Porsche video on the Porsche PCM 3.1 where we've done Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto system. We can also do it on the Porsche PCM 3 now, but this one is the CDR, so we definitely wanted to do a different video on it just to show you how it looks, feels, works and all this sort of stuff. So this install is a lot more involved than what the PCM 3.1 is. You still have to take the head unit out, we still have to open it up, we still have to fit a new board, new ribbon cables, but the difference is with this one as well, we've also got to do some soldering behind the scenes so that we can have this sat button as the mode to be able to flick you into CarPlay. If you don't want that doing, then you have to have a little trigger button which is sort of goes down here, but the customer didn't want this. We like a challenge, so did all the soldering, etc. So we've got the phone all paired up to the system. You have to make sure that this system has the aux input and it has to be activated, so it's in there. And there's also a little dummy that has to go in here. You have to have Bluetooth fitted if you don't want to have the aftermarket microphone that would go here, which doesn't look very nice, but luckily this car has got Bluetooth as standard, so we've done the audio call routing through the iPhone, which is awesome. So first and foremost, you have to make sure you're in CD aux mode, which we are. We push and hold the sat button, the system flicks over, and here we go. Apple CarPlay all installed, working lovely. I can't show you the sound because of copyright and all this sort of stuff, but one thing that I have to mention, the CDR Plus. Now I think the CarPlay doesn't look too bad on here, but the resolution is pretty pants coming out of the CDR, and there is no getting away from that on this system. If you want CarPlay, you're gonna have to just put up with it, and that means that when you're doing things like Waze, hopefully it's all set up on the customer's device. So like here where it just seems a bit washed out, so you can use like night mode and things like that, which is automatically just triggered over to be able to do it. You still have touchscreen. We've got the music here, customer's phone, that's all linked up playing it, and you still use your factory control. So I'll just, there you go, turn it back down again just so we don't get hit with the copyrights. And yeah, pretty awesome bit of kit. We've also teamed this up with a reverse camera, but because I'm on my own filming this and the engine's not on, I can't show you. But when you go into reverse, it flicks over. You see a lovely image from the back of the vehicle, which I'll quickly show in 2 moments. But yeah, really good bit of kit. As always, from this supplier that deals with the Porsche systems, it works quite nicely and it gives you that OEM feel, which is what the customer wanted. He didn't want an aftermarket solution like an Alpine or a Pioneer. So things to remember: CDR Plus, you must have aux, ideally have factory Bluetooth so we can not fit the microphone. The only downside to that as well is that you don't get the Hey Siri function, but people don't really use it anyway. We changed the wallpaper so it's more in keeping with the car. You do that through the settings, and yeah, it's Apple CarPlay in a lovely Porsche 911 Boxster, and we've just totally transformed the technology in this vehicle. So if you've got a Porsche, and quickly let's just go into here, around here, and have a look. And there we go, one of our lovely little wedge cameras. Don't want to go too far because I haven't got our plates on. I don't want to show it off too much. But yeah, awesome car. Looks great. Now got Apple CarPlay. If it's something you want to do, then get in touch with us. I will say this: we must have the car here. This has been in for pretty much most of the day as well. And it will cost a bit more than the PCMs just because of what is involved with the installation. So www.advanced-incar.co.uk. If you love these videos or like them or watch them, make sure you hit that like button. Give us a sub, it really does help us out. We enjoy it. We enjoy people watching our content. Hit the little bell notification and that'll be great. As always, thanks for watching.